Alright, so we have the RK Royal KLUDGE RK68. We're going to be doing an unboxing. This is how it arrived. Not really sure what's going on with this. This is how this box all arrived. But normally Royal KLUDGE has some nice boxes. Let's get this thing unboxed. Now, this is a 68 keyboard, which means this keyboard is going to be very, very small, and this is a all Bluetooth keyboard, and according to, it's only supposed to have one light. So right away, this keyboard is really small. Looks like we have USB Type-C cable if we don't want to use the Bluetooth and for charging. Other than that, I'm not seeing any other things except for the power switch that we got going on right here. But looks like we have a slight angle already, and there are no other angles to lift this up, but we do have some rubber feet on each side. Now this keyboard is really small, but let's get this turned on, check out the lights, anything else in the box really quick. Looks like we have a keycap puller. We have some extra switches. Now you can order this in a few different variations. I like the brown switches, so that's what I got. And then we have a USB Type-C cable, and it comes with some cable management right away. You can see right there. Love it when they do that. This is the RK98. So just a quick kind of comparison on the size difference. Not only is this a smaller keyboard in width, but also in height. So if you're wanting to save some desktop space, this is going to be the keyboard for you. I don't know if I would like this personally so much because I do like having a number pad. But this one also has an angle and a foot, whereas this one does not. But this is a nice angle that is on this keyboard. But these are brown switches, so let's kind of move this up so you guys can hear how it sounds. So this is pretty quiet, especially compared to this one. This is supposed to be brown switches as well. So what I'm thinking on the sound difference is these keycaps. So the keycaps on my RK98 are not see-through, but my keycaps on this one are see-through. On the RK68 they are see-through, and there is more texture on the keycaps as well. So that is something to take a note of. But let's get this turned on. Turn on the lights so you guys can see the RGB lighting. Alright, so now we have the RGB lighting on here, and the camera might be flashing it. The RGB lights are not flashing. That's just, they are a solid color. They are not flashing, but let's see. So we can make them brighter. We can turn them up and turn them down. Okay. Alright, I like the feel of this keyboard. I'm undecided how I feel about the size. This is definitely something that is a preference when you're looking at a keyboard this size. When you're coming from a much larger keyboard, this is a much larger keyboard than compared to the RK68, but I do like that it's Bluetooth, and I like that it's backlit. A little disappointed that we only have one color. It does not change colors, but I do like that the keycaps are see-through, just because you know, I don't have my typing memorized, so I do like to look at the keyboard every now and then, so I really do like that. And if you look at here, it looks like every key, a lot of keys have secondary functions. So even though you have less keys on here, if you start learning all of the secondary functions, you're going to be able to still do a lot of things with this keyboard. And then it has a very premium feel. It has some weight to it. And this plastic that the base is made out of is very stiff. Some people might like that, some people might not. That is definitely a personal preference. But I'm very impressed with this keyboard for what you're getting. So this is a win in my book if this is what you are looking for.